Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So finally you have the chance that you wait every single year. SSC CGL 2026 has released its notification, and all the details that you need to know, I'm going to explain in this video. So watch this entire video carefully so that you can know about the eligibility, the syllabus, important dates, what are the changes this year, SSC has made it. Every single thing you are going to come across. Watch this video very carefully and you will be clear for every single point that you have any query for. So let's just start first. This is called Staff Selection Commission Combined Graduate Level Examination. This year, they have released approximately 12,256 vacancies, and this is tentative. That means quite possibility is there that the vacancy will increase, and you can expect approximately 13,000 to 14,000 vacancies this year. Okay. Registrations have opened from 21st of May, and you can register till 22nd of June 2026. You just need to be a graduate. That's it. If you want to apply for this, you just need to be graduate, be it art side, commerce side, any stream you are in. Also, there is no criteria of minimum percentage to apply for this form. So if you are 40% plus in graduation, if you have scored, still you can apply. Okay. Now, selection process is very simple. Actually, it is not simple. I'm just telling you the steps. Tier 1, which is qualifying, and Tier 2, which actually decides the merit. Application fees is ₹100 for boys of general category. Remaining everybody is exempted. Okay. Then general and OBC, they have to pay. Only boys. Remaining everybody is exempted. Salary, it varies from post to post. Later in this video, you will come across the salary structure. Official website is ssc.gov.in. You can go here and you can register yourself for the examination. Further, if I talk about important dates, the notification was released on 21st of May 2026, and you can apply till 22nd of June. This is the last date, but you do not have to wait for this. You apply anywhere before a week. That means the maximum time you should take for registration is third week of June, right? Second or third week of June. If anybody applies late, so he has to pay a late fee. So we will talk about that later also. Let's talk about important dates. So you can apply now. The registrations are going on, and before, see, they have given last date 22nd of June, but you don't have to wait till then. You must apply before 15th of June anyhow, because at the last moment, server gets down and you face problem. And because of one mistake or leniency, you may miss this chance. So don't wait till last moment. Okay. So examination, the prelims examination is expected to be conducted around third or fourth week. It's like end of August or beginning of September. And Tier 2 will be conducted December 26. So you actually have a very, very good time. If you count, we are just about to end, we are in the ending of the month of May. So you have June, July, August, 3 complete months you have for prelims examination, and then September, October, November, and December. So approximately 7 complete months you have for this entire process. And trust me, guys, this is actually a very, very good time span that you are getting this time. Okay, let's proceed further. Let's have a look on salary structures. So salary varies from post to post. Okay, so let's explore. For level 8, the salary varies. The range is the starting salary will be approximately, this is basic actually, approximately 48,000, and it will go till 1,51,52,000. This is 4,800 grade pay. Okay, gross salaries in hand is approximately 70,000 when you join this. Then level 7. What departments come in this? ASO and CSS, Inspector Income Tax, Inspector Central Excise, Inspector Preventive Officer, Inspector Examination, Sub-Inspector CBI. The salary range goes from 45,000 to 1,42,000 approx. This is 4,600 grade pay, and initial salary will be approximately 55 to 65,000. It depends the city you are posted in. Then we have level 6 jobs that includes junior statistical officers, sub-inspector in NIA, National Investigating Agency, and divisional accountant. The salary range goes from 36,000 and it goes up to 1,13,000. This is 4,200 grade pay, and the initial salary you will get it is approximately 50 to 55,000 rupees a month. Then level 5 This includes auditor and accountant or junior accountant. This is 2,800 grade pay, and the salary range is approximately 50,000. Then level 4, we have tax assistant in CBEC and CBDT. The salary range goes from 25,000 to 81,000, and approximate salary that you get initially is approximately 40 to 45,000. So that's all about salary. Now let's talk about the examination pattern. Tier 1 is qualifying now, MCQ based. Actually, the overall examination, be it Tier 1, Tier 2, it is only MCQ based. Tier 2 is actually the main exam that decides your destiny, and it decides merit. So merit is calculated only on Tier 2 examination. In this, paper 1 is compulsory for all posts. Then paper 2, that has a separate requirement. That is, you can attempt paper 2 if you are applying for the post of junior statistical officer, right? That works under Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. And we have paper 3. If you are eligible for WO post, then you have to attend this paper, and this is mandatory. Now, what are the eligibility for paper 2 and paper 3? We will discuss later. Let's talk about Tier 1 examination in detailed manner. In Tier 1 examination, you have reasoning, general awareness that includes physics, chemistry, biology, economy, polity, history, geography, everything that you have studied till class 10. Apart from this, you also have to prepare for current affairs. You have quantitative aptitude, that means math and English comprehension. So you have 25 questions each section each question carries 2 marks. That means you have 50 marks each section, and total 200 marks you have. This time what they have done, they have made it mandatory to give a specific time to each section. So you will be having a window of 15 minutes for each section this time. Am I clear? Now let's talk about mains examination. This is the final factor that decides your destiny. So for mains, you have paper 1, which is compulsory for all posts. You will be given 2 hours and 30 minutes. Paper 2 is statistics, 2 hours you will be given. And paper 3, general studies, that actually specifically ask questions from finance and economics, and you will be given 2 hours for the same. Let us analyze this section in detailed manner. So paper 1, that is mandatory for all. Paper 1 is mandatory for all. In this, you have session 1 that has 3 sections, basically 2 sections in this. One paper is of math, the other is of reasoning. We call it module 1, module 2. In math, you will have 30 questions. Every single question carries 3 marks. So you have total 90 questions, and you will be given 30 minutes. Then reasoning, again, you have 30 questions, 3 marks each question. You will be given 30 minutes. Then this is actually very, very important, because English language has been one of the main subjects in SSC throughout the history. This, if you're lacking in this subject, then it becomes very difficult to crack it, because it has the maximum weightage. So in English language, you will be given 45 questions, again 3 marks each, and 40 minutes will be given. So the weightage is 35 marks. Then you have module 2, general awareness, that carries 25 questions, 3 marks each. Then you will be given 20 minutes for this, and it carries 19% of weightage. So once this session 1 is done, for session 2 you will be called, and it includes 2 mandatory tests which are qualifying in nature, which are only qualifying. First is computer knowledge test. You will be given 20 questions, 3 marks each, 60 marks in total, 15 minutes of time will be given, only qualifying in nature. That means the merit will be decided only on these 4 subjects. These 4 subjects, that means math, reasoning, English, and GS. Then in section 3, second module is of data entry and speed test. For this, you will be given 15 minutes, and this is also qualifying in nature. For this, you will be given a task where you have to type. They will be checking your typing speed, that's an accuracy as well. Then let's talk about paper 2, that is optional. If you're applying for JSO post, then only you have to opt it. You will be given 100 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. Total duration is 2 hours. And then WO, if you are applying for this, if you are eligible for this, this is the subject, this question paper is based on subject finance and economics. 100 questions, 2 marks each, total duration is 2 hours. And I believe you all are clear with this. Now let's have a look on the number of vacancies for last 10 years that SSC has released. In 2017, the number of vacancies were approximately 9,100. Right? In 2018, the vacancies increased to 11,270. 2019, the vacancies were approximately 8,400. In 2020, this was the least number of vacancies that SSC released, and it was the duration of COVID actually pandemic. They had only 6,164 vacancies. In year 2021, they released 7,582 vacancies. This is actually, if you see, you will be amazed that in year 2022, SSC released approximately 37,500 vacancies. This is the biggest number in the history of SSC. Then in 2023, the number was 8,400. 2024, the number was 18,184. Again, it was a very good number. 2025, the number was approximately 15,130. This year, it is tentative, approximately 12,500, but you can expect that it can increase to 13 or 13,500, right? So you have actually a very, very good chance. You should not take this lightly. 7 months of sincere preparation can give you next 40-50 years of relaxation, because you know that how the competitive world is have been. Things are very in coming time things are going to be very difficult. So it's better कि आप अपना थोड़ा सा टाइम हर रोज अगले कुछ दिनों तक सिंसियरली प्रिपरेशन में लगाइए and crack this exam. Trust me guys, once you crack it, you will get all things you have been deciding for. Let's talk about the age relaxation that SSC is providing you. So if you belong to the category of SC or ST, you will be given 5 years of relaxation. See, the range is for some posts is 18 to 30. For some post, it is 20 to 30 years of age. And for some post, the maximum age is 32 years. So with whatever post you are eligible for, you can apply, right? And apart from that, the upper age relaxation for SC/ST is 5 years. Aspirants of OBC, the age relaxation is 3 years. If anybody is, if anybody belongs to the category of PWD general, then it is 10 years. PWD OBC 13 years. PWD SC or ST it is 15 years. If any candidate who is domiciled in the state of Jammu and Kashmir between 1st of January 1980 and 31st of December 1989, then they will be given 5 years of age relaxation. For ex-servicemen, the age relaxation is of 3 years. And if any defense personnel is disabled in any military activity, he will be given 3 years of extra age relaxation. SC/ST defense personnel who are disabled during any military activity will be given 8 years of age relaxation. Okay, guys? Now, let's analyze the cutoffs, final cutoffs of last 5 years. So if you see for general category, right, in 2025, let's start with 2022, actually the cutoff for last 4 years. In 2022, out of 390, the cutoff was 270 or 271 actually. So yes, examination actually demands serious and sincere efforts. So for general category, it was 270 in 2022. For OBC, it was 242. For EWS, 228, 229, SC, 213, and ST, 192. In 2023, the cutoff for general was 250, for OBC, 240, EWS, 229, SC, 218, and ST, 205. In 2024, the cutoff was 323 marks out of 390, and it was actually very, very tough exam. Actually, this time it happened. For OBC, it was 307, EWS approx 300, SC 286, and ST 267. In year 2025, the final cutoff was 255 out of 390. If you check, there is a very sharp gap this time. 245 for OBC. For EWS, we don't have exact data. For SC, it was 222 and ST 210. So this is the cutoffs that in last 4-5 years exam, this cutoff just gives you idea that how the trend of examination, the level of difficulty of all this examination is going on, right? So I believe you got enough information. I will come back with some other videos with based on several topics. Like I'll be talking about what should be strategy for this time, how you should appear in examination for next. Okay, let me ask you, if you have any question, any challenge, if you face any problem, just write in the comment box. I will go through it after an analysis, and after figuring out the perfect solution, I will come back to you. Trust me, if I give you a solution, you can follow that and you will get results that you're looking for. That's all for now. One more thing, if you actually struggling in vocabulary section of English language, go in the playlist. You will find a video for SSC CGL 2026. And this one video is approximately of 5 hours of duration that captures approximately 80 to 90% of the vocabulary that you are going to face in examination. This will tell you the right strategy how to prepare for vocabulary. Go for that and let me know how things are going on. Thank you so much. If you face any challenge, any problem, write down in comment box. I will be with you. I'll tell you how to deal with that. Thank you so much.